Hello everybody, this is Colonel. I want to show you all the inner door handles I've made for my Subaru Brat. My old ones here were rotted away at the top. Had a hole right there through it. Both of them from the sun. This is the top side of each one. This just rotted away. So I went ahead and I poured my own molds, which I made out of silicone rubber, and using a casting resin, I went ahead and poured these. The clips kind of work out. They hold enough that they're in place. I think this one came out better, except a little piece of it broke off, but that one's pretty good over on that side. Even has the original right one, left two numbers. Now I had the paint match up done for me and put into a spray can, as I couldn't find a paint match. But that's my Subaru Brat. Inner door handles. Can't find them anywhere.